Hi, I'm Dr. Jonathan Pinnell, and I wanted to talk to you a little bit about why the subluxation, the spot in your spine, is not moving how it's supposed to. It's just locked up. It's affecting some of those migraines that you're experiencing, and why it's so important that we adjust the areas that are subluxated and not just get anything to move like you might feel when you twist and turn your neck like that. And so when we look at you, we're going to look at the spine, and the big idea with chiropractic is that your brain controls everything that happens in the rest of your body. The nerves from your brain here, they come down your spine, and up in here and through the neck, you have a nerve that exits on each side of your spine here at every single level. And so up here towards the top of your skull, these nerves, they actually loop back up into the head and regulate things like the headaches, the migraines that you're experiencing right now. And so when we look at you from the front, we want to see that the spine's nice and straight up and down. But then when we look at you from the side, we want to see that you have this reverse C-shaped curve in through the neck. And so on an individual joint basis, we're going to look at that up close specifically. And what we want to see is that you disc space in between the bones, it's nice and thick and through there. We want to see that the bone's nice and smooth, and this joint just moves nice and smoothly in through here. The side here, this nerve, plenty of room for that nerve to exit. There's no pressure, there's no pinching on the nerves in that area. This is what normal looks like in through your spine. Over time with traumas, it can be small things. Just your posture for years can add up to something big. And what we start to see are some of the changes in through your vertebrae, where you have the disc height that starts to narrow. You have the bone spurs that start growing in through there. And then what do you notice about this area where that nerve's exiting? Yeah, it's starting to get smaller in through there, and it can put some of the pressure on those nerves. And that can be part of the issue when those nerves are looping back up into your brain. They're not able to regulate everything how they're supposed to, and you're going to start experiencing some of those headaches. The other part is that this joint just doesn't move how it's supposed to. It's locked up, it's restricted in through there. And if we find this, the good news is that we know we can help you. Because this is a subluxation. It's a spot where that joint's just not moving how it's supposed to in the spine. It's putting pressure on the nerves through here. And it's a spot that we got to fix. It's a spot that we can fix in our office, and we'll be really specific about only fixing the areas and only adjusting the areas that aren't moving properly to get your spine back functioning how it's supposed to get rid of the migraines in through there, that nervous system component with everything coming from the spine back up into the head, controlling those migraines. And once we do that, that's when we know you'll be feeling better too. So we look forward to seeing you in the office, helping with your migraines, and getting you feeling your very best again soon.